Welcome to Hype Clients, where we discuss the latest trends and strategies in sales and marketing. Today, we're going to talk about how consulting firms can use ChatGPT for lead generation and the strategies they can use to make it happen. As a consultant, you know that lead gen is crucial to the success of your business. And, as technology continues to evolve, so do the ways in which we generate leads. One of the most effective ways to generate leads is through the use of ChatGPT. But, before we dive into the strategies, let me tell you a little story. I remember my first time using ChatGPT for prospecting. I was a bit skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a try. And, let me tell you, it was a game changer. Not only was I able to generate more leads, but I was also able to build stronger relationships with my prospects. For example, one of our consulting clients was struggling to generate leads through their website's contact form. By implementing a ChatGPT feature on their website, they were able to increase their leads by 30%. Another example is a client of ours, a consulting firm specializing in IT services. By using a ChatGPT feature on their website, they were able to generate leads and schedule appointments with potential clients in real time. This not only saved them time but also increased the chances of closing the deal. So, how can consulting firms use ChatGPT for lead generation? Here are a few actionable takeaways. Implement a ChatGPT feature on your website to make it easy for visitors to connect with you in real time. Use ChatGPT to schedule appointments and demos with potential clients. Use ChatGPT to answer frequently asked questions and provide valuable information to your prospects. Use ChatGPT to personalize the experience for each individual prospect and build stronger relationships. Use ChatGPT to gather information about your prospects and use it to personalize your follow-up and closing efforts. It's important to remember that at the end of the day, sales is all about building relationships and making human connection. ChatGPT can help you do just that by providing a more personal and efficient way to communicate with your prospects. By using ChatGPT to provide valuable information, answer questions, and build relationships, you'll increase the chances of closing deals and growing your business. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for lead generation, and consulting firms can use it to increase their leads, build stronger relationships, and close more deals. Remember to always keep the human connection in mind and use ChatGPT to personalize the experience for each individual prospect. As always, we're here to help. So if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.